E-Mantra, get your mind right. Entertainment. Say, nigga, it's the freestyle coming straight from the dome, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I had to. E-Mantra. Niggas stay talking, best believe I leave you walking. I ain't even tripping, you copying, man, you mocking. Mocking on the real nigga in the backseat, I'm pulling trigger. Nigga trying to do it like me, no, they can't do it. They can't spit on the mic like I do it. If you wanna slow it down, you can screw it. You can screw it, nigga, that's how I do it. Say slow it, slow the beat down. I'm always at the top and I'm holding the crown. Nigga keep talking, man, they stay talking down. If y'all niggas bout your mess, nigga, put it down. Ayy, see it's your boy, I don't play with toys. Niggas thought I was gone, nigga, you annoyed. Annoy a real nigga in the backseat, pulling triggers. Why them niggas, they ride around, they ride. They like to ride around. You see, I'm at the top, nigga, I'm always putting it down. I'm putting this down, and it's the freestyle. Any nigga tripping on me, look at my profile. Yeah, my profile, it says that a nigga is what a rapper. Nigga keep tripping, best believe I'm a trapper. Trapper in the crib, I'll show you how I live. Show you how I live, cause a nigga wanna hit. Hit up a nigga, I'm pulling triggers. Always pulling triggers, nigga, you a hate nigga, ayy.